How to setting screen security Samsung Galaxy S8. Note, for this simulation, we're showing how to set up a PIN. You can select a different type of security, but steps may vary based on what you choose. Step 1. From the home screen, drag down the notification panel. Step 2. Tap the settings icon. Step 3. Scroll to lock screen. Step 4. Tap lock screen and Step 5. Tap screen lock. 6. Tap PIN. The indicator is in the top center of the screen. Note, for this simulation, we're showing how to set up a PIN. You can select a different type of security, but steps may vary based on what you choose. 7. Enter your PIN. The indicator is in the center left of the screen. Note, your PIN must be at least 4 numbers long. 8. Tap Continue. 9. Confirm your 10. Tap OK. 11. Select the notification preference. The indicator is in the center right of the screen. Note, tap or slide the hide content switch to on to prevent the content of emails, texts and other notifications from appearing on the lock screen. You'll be notified that you have a new message, but not shown what the message contains.